Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to host a party on Sims Mobile. Hosting a party in Sims Mobile is a fun way to socialize with other players. So, let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, make sure that you've reached player level 5 to unlock the ability to host parties. Once you've reached level 5 or above, select your sim you'd like to play with. From the bottom left menu, click on the little option appearing on the right and make sure to select the balloon icon inside your settings menu appearing at the top. From this option, you can find parties you can host or attend to. Tap on Find Parties. Now from this page, you can find a party that you want to ignore or attend to. Make sure to watch out on this page and you will be able to turn on the host a party option. In my case, it is showing me that I will be able to host a party in 2 days, 11 hours. So make sure to wait until the option unlocks inside the parties tab. And once it unlocks, you can tap on host a party and then follow through the prompts. Once you select host a party, you will be prompted to choose a venue for your party. You can select it from your own home lot, or if you've unlocked other venues such as park or cafe, you can choose one of those. So that is how you will be able to host a party on Sims Mobile in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.